Alright guys, Colin here with Techout. As you guys remember, I built a TrueNAS server a couple weeks ago. It is a Dell PowerEdge R310 that I picked up off Facebook Marketplace for like $60. And it came with a bunch of other stuff that I sold, so I basically got this for free. I played with it. I installed a few different Linux distributions on it. It worked fine. And then like a week later I installed TrueNAS on it, and I've been using it for that ever since. And about an hour and a half, 2 hours after I started running TrueNAS on it, I hear it making a ton of noise out here, and I'm like, well, that's weird. So I come out and I see the screen has an error on it. Right now it's just because it's opened, but as you can see there are 3 total errors. One of them for a fan module, and then one of them for fan redundancy. The third one's just because the top is off. So within an hour and a half of getting TrueNAS up and running and everything working, a fan failed. And it's this one right here that I have out. These modules, there's 3 of them, are actually 2 fans a piece. So there's a fan here, and then there's a fan back here. So it's 1A and 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. And you can also have 2 other ones right here if you have the hot swappable power supplies. This one is not a hot swappable power supply. It is screwed in, so it's got its own fan right there. So there's nothing over there. But this is the fan that has failed. I did switch it from over here to over here just to make sure it wasn't something going crazy with the connection on the motherboard or anything like that, and it's not. So basically when a fan fails, because they are redundant, these 2 now run at full power, which is like 11,000 RPM, so it's crazy loud. So I picked up another fan on eBay for like $5 or $6, free shipping. So we're going to go ahead and remove this one. It's really easy. It just snaps in right here. As you can see, I already have it out because I took it out and cleaned it and everything before I ordered a new one, just to make sure, you know, it wasn't dirty or anything crazy like that. So this plastic piece does come off, but I'm just going to stick my hand under it and pull the fan out because I don't want to have to unplug everything that's over there. So there is the fan right there. Like I said, there's a fan motor there and a fan motor there. So it's actually 2 fans in one unit right there. So let me get the other one out and we'll go ahead and install that. Alright, so this is the new to me fan. It came out of a working unit. Obviously most of these parts are going to be used because this is a 12-year-old server. So we're going to go ahead and, doing this one-handed because I'm holding the camera, just going to snap that down in there. Sorry if it's kind of shaky. I just, quick video. Let's see if I can pull this out a little bit more. Get the connector in here. Alright. Plugged in. Just get this plastic shroud back where it's supposed to be. Alright, there we go. So that is back down. I'm going to throw the lid back on and we'll go ahead and power it on. If you leave the lid off, it's still going to be in redundant mode and the fans are going to spin full speed. So just for the sake of it not being so loud, I'm going to put the top on real quick before turning it on. Alright, so the cover is on. As you can see here, we still have 2 errors because I haven't turned it on since the fan failed. So we're going to go ahead and boot it up really quickly. It's probably going to be loud at first just until it realizes that the other fan is back in there and working. Alright, there we go. The orange error indicator has gone away. Fans are at normal speed. And as you can see, it says system booting. So we should be all good to go. The R310 is now fixed. And the fans are redundant. Yep. I have it called TrueNAS there, and you can see it's just displaying that, so we're all good to go. That is how you replace a fan on a PowerEdge R310, and most of the 11th, 12th gen PowerEdges are the same, even though the fans may be a little bit different. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.